Go to SRF. Now, that's one stock that hasn't run up this year. We approached the numbers with very muted expectations as well. But Sonal is here. She's been waiting by patiently. Sonal, they've missed even those muted expectations, right?
It has, and the management commentary doesn't look so good as well. In fact, first, let me talk about the commentary, because that's where the chairman and managing director says that everyone knows there's a lot of inventory unwinding going on globally, and this will have some impact on the business in the next couple of quarters. It is a chemical major, and if they are saying that this will have an impact in a couple of quarters, it means that the sector is seeing some headwinds that we have been highlighting as well. And it is the chemicals business where the contraction has really impacted the business this time around. And packaging margins, they have substantially come down on a YY and on a quarter-on-quarter basis. For technical textiles, it was a high base, so it was expected to come down anyway. So quickly running you through the numbers as well. Our revenues are lower than the expectations at 3,300 crore rupees. Margins at 21%. It is a contraction of 500 basis points versus an expectation of a 200 basis points decline. So that's where the biggest decline has come in as well. Technical textiles margins are down around 800 basis points on a YY basis. Chemicals are down just 300 basis points, but this is the high margin business for the company, and they contribute the most to revenues as well. And this is where the management says they will continue to see some weakness. Packaging margins business, they are down to 6% versus 23% on a YY basis. They also say that stagnant pharmaceuticals and agrochemical industries adversely impacted the demand for some industrial chemicals, and refrigerant gas business, that is also a big business for the company. It was impacted because of domestic factors. The expectation was that refrigerant gas exports were not doing well. So looks like both the markets are not doing so well for the company. We'll of course look out for more management commentary, but it is a top-down miss, and the outlook also doesn't look so positive. So that's why the stock is in focus.
For that, Sonal, thanks very much for that. Deepak, very